seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. We do recommend that you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened even when the seatbelt sign is switched off in case we experience any unexpected turbulence. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments to ensure that nothing falls out. And this is a no smoking flight. This includes e-cigarettes, vapes and those nicotine products that resemble cigarettes. As a reminder, recharging of these devices and all their batteries is not permitted on board at any time. Any electronic devices which are charging must always be monitored. And whilst the crew do all they can to make your flight an enjoyable experience throughout your holiday off, we do need to remind everyone that drinking your own alcohol bought in the airport or large bottles purchased on board is strictly forbidden. We want everyone to enjoy their flight home and avoid